gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got who's its and what's its galore. Do you want thingamabobbs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Today is going to be the first video in my Halloween series, and the first thing I decided to create was a mermaid. This look was super easy, not hard at all. A lot of the stuff I've already owned as far as the makeup is concerned. The only thing I really bought for this look is actually the headband and the gloves, which came in a set, and I actually got it from the Walmart Halloween section, and it was like $7. So this look is super affordable. You can definitely do this if you're not quite sure what you want to be for Halloween. And if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I decided to start this look off with my Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. So I went into the palette and I picked up the color Smash. Smash is this neon green eyeshadow, and I'm throwing that right in my crease. Then the next color I picked up is Pop Rocks. It's this bright purple also in the palette, and I also threw that in my crease, more concentrating it on my outer V and blowing it out into, towards my inner corner. So I lost a little bit of that green color from Pop Rocks, so I decided to go back in with Smash and blend out Pop Rocks so it could be a little bit more of a gradient. And then I took my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC35, and I cut my crease. And that is what you see me doing right now. Take your time. Everyone's eye shape is different. Everyone's technique is different. So take your time. Trust me, it took me a lot longer than what you see to get the achieved look. Next thing I'm going to do is pick up the color Glitz. It's a seafoam green metallic shadow, also in my Bright Lights palette. And if you see me putting it only in the center, I was going to kind of halo this color, but then I decided I wanted it to be more of a focus, so I did all the way from my inner corner to the halfway point on my lid. And then I took my Smashbox primer water in the coconut flavor, and I picked up Glitz and I foiled it because I wanted it to be more of a metallic sheen, kind of like my eyelids are wet, like I live in the ocean. And then I decided to take this loose pigment from LA Colors, and it's in the color Grape Jelly. And I put that in the middle of my eyelid, not taking it all the way out to my crease, and blending it in with that Glitz color. And this blue color that you see me putting on my eyes is actually from KIKO Makeup Milani. So it's in the color 7. It's one of their loose eyeshadow pigments. And it was a little too blue for me, so I then took this Milani individual eyeshadow in Bella Teal. And I put that also on top of the KIKO loose pigment. And then I took another KIKO pigment, and this one's in the color 14, and I put that on top of the other two shadows. Trying to get my desired color of green-blue. So then I took more of that number 14 KIKO loose pigment eyeshadow, and I put that over Smash to make it a little bit more metallic. And I did the same thing with the purple color. I took more of Grape Jelly from LA Color, and this is what you see me doing right now. I put that over Pop Rocks just to make the whole eye look a little bit more metallic. Next thing I did was pick up this glitter eyeliner from NYX, and this is in the color 103, and it's a pink glitter liner. I was using that to kind of define that cut crease. And then I took this individual eyeshadow, also from NYX, in the color Mermaid, and used that to highlight my brow bone, because if mermaids were real, their brow bones would be green. Now I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Mahogany, and I'm using that as my foundation today. This one is a matte foundation. It's very, very matte, so it will definitely last all day. If you're going out to a party, if you're going to be sweating, it definitely will hold up to the test of time. That's why I picked it. Next thing I did was go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. And I'm using that to highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm taking this makeup sponge. I've had it for so long, I don't even know the brand of it, but it is damp. And I'm picking up Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I am setting my face. Well, not my whole face, just where I put the concealer. So underneath my eyes, my forehead, my brow bone. And then I'm picking up this LA Girl high definition matte powder in the color Warm Caramel, and I'm setting the rest of my face. And then I'm taking a fishnet stocking and I'm putting it over my face so I can create the scales. So I'm going back in with that KIKO loose pigment eyeshadow in the color 7. And I'm going to contour with it just where I would normally put my contour. So on my forehead, around my temples, on my cheekbones. Then I'm picking up the number 7 and I'm going to blend out the edges of the blue with that so it kind of gradients from the blue to the green. And then I'm going to pick up Grape Jelly from LA Colors and do the same thing, blend out the green edges with the purple so it gradients from blue to green to purple. Now I'm going to take the fishnet stocking off. And I'm just wiping away some fallout that might have fell on my nose from the pigments with my powder brush. Alright, now I'm going to grab my Maybelline pencil in the color Silken Turquoise, and I'm going to line my waterline. And now I'm taking number 7 from KIKO, and I'm just going to put that all over my décolleté. And I'm taking some of number 14 and also putting it on my décolleté. And now you see me back with the Grape Jelly from LA Colors also doing that. Now I'm going in with this teal color from the palette, my Bright Lights palette in the color Punky. And I'm going to blow out my lower lash line. And then I'm going back in with the color Glitz, and I'm going to highlight my face. So on my cheekbones, on the tip and bridge of my nose, and also on my Cupid's bow. And then in my inner corners. And then I'm going to take my Essence Lash Precious Mascara, and I'm going to throw a coat, or a couple coats actually, on my lashes. And then on my lips, this is the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit from their Mermaid collection, and this is in the color Siren's Jewel, which is a beautiful emerald green. And then I'm going back into my Bright Lights palette, and I'm picking up the color Glitz, and I'm just going to pat that on top of the green liquid lipstick just to give it kind of a duochrome shift. Then I add my accessories, which is my headband and my gloves, and my look is complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first video of my Halloween series. I'm super excited about this look, and I hope you guys are as well. Keep on watching for the rest of the month to see what other cool makeups I come up with, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when I upload another video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.